So we got the panel removed. We've got I think about 8 bolts to take out of this hard panel right here. And I'm going to have my grandson, Jet, to take this off. So we'll be right back once we get it removed. These 10mm bolts is what we got to remove. Start filming. Okay, we have the bolts out. We got one pop rivet here. And you got 2 on the bottom, which you do not have to take out. You'll slide this off. And you can unplug it if you need to. I'm not going to unplug it right at this moment. And then I'm fixing to show you how to get in here to open the gate. Okay, now we're inside. Make sure you roll your window up. We're going to look right through these 2 little holes here. If you look at the cable that runs around and goes up where it hooks into, and you'll need a long screwdriver to reach down there right where the cable's at. And it's hard to get a good angle with my phone, but you can push the lever for the cable, and voila, your door is open where you can work on it. Okay, I have removed the license tags. These 2 bolts actually go all the way through to the back side for this cover that screw into something. Remove that. We're going to remove this piece now with the hose tag. You do that from the inside. You have these little grommets, plastic grommets, pop things that you can access from the inside of the gate. You got a couple on each side. You'll need to remove the tag light bolt here also. And we'll be right back. Okay. Also right here, these hoses, there's 2 10mm bolts in there that also hold the back plate on for the license plate. Don't know how well we can, as you can see right here, that 10mm bolt, there's one on the other side also. And those will need to be removed before removing the license plate assembly. Okay, as you can see, I have the bolts out. Hold that a second, Jet. Bolts out. The little grommets have popped loose. I do have the license plate assembly off. You can kind of let it hang there, and it'll give you access to your back door handle. Okay, of course this is the back door handle here. This is the mechanism that opens it up. You have a cable that runs to this piece right here. I'm showing it upside down right at the moment. Flip it over. Jet's going to hold that for me. And you see, I have bent this piece. This is where your new handle comes through and bolts on to these bolts out here also. Now I have removed my handle previously on this. This long pin is what holds the handle on itself, which goes through right here and hooks this lever, which works a cable for the mechanism. As of right now, I do not have a new handle to put in, but I am going to fix something up where I can work this handle. I was using a screwdriver through the hole on the outside, but I seem to have bent this a little bit, so I've got to do something different until I can get a new handle. But that's how you get into a tailgate that has a broke handle on a Toyota Sequoia without having to cut and tear open the back tailgate.